Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this series, we are going to learn some easy ways to ask and answer common questions in English. It's really useful and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to ask someone where they went to school or college. Asking someone where they went to school or college is a small talk question and conversation starter. However, you will have to be careful not to offend people if they did not go to college. I will tell you how to do this. The question is simple. If the other person is over 22, it's likely they will have left college already. So you ask using past tense. Where did you go to college? You could also say, where did you go to school? In American English, depending on context, school often means the same as college. If the other person is British or European, however, they're more likely to say, where did you go to university? The answer to this question is really simple. All you say is, I went to university in city. I went to Allama Iqbal Open University in Islamabad. I went to Allama Iqbal Open University in Islamabad. If the name of the university or town is a part of the university's name, like Tokyo University or Oxford University, you can add the name of the country instead. I went to Tokyo University in Japan. I went to Tokyo University in Japan. Once you have already heard the other person's question, it's polite to make some kinds of comment. For example, wow, that's really a famous university. Or just, oh, really? Sometimes when you ask where did you go to college, the other person might reply, I did not go to college. In this situation, you should be careful how to reply so as not to appear rude. It's polite to not act surprised, but instead make a positive comment like, oh really? Or ask a question like, did you go straight into a job? Now it's time for my advice. A good follow-up question to keep the conversation going is to ask the other person, what did you study? Or what was your major? This gives them an opportunity to talk about something they're interested in. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed my videos, quickly press the subscribe button to never miss an update. So take care everyone and bye bye.